To build a SharePoint list, follow these steps. Open SharePoint. Log into your Microsoft 365 account and navigate to your SharePoint site. Access Site Contents. Click on Site Contents from the left-hand menu or Site Settings to view existing lists and libraries. Create a new list. Click plus New or New List to start creating a new list. If you're using an older SharePoint version, you may need to select Add an App and then choose Custom List. Name your list. Enter a name for your list. This will be displayed as the title of the list on your site. Optionally, provide a description to help users understand its purpose. Add columns. After creating the list, go to the list settings or settings to add and configure columns. Click Create Column to define the type of data and customize settings like validation and default values. Create views. Set up views to display your list data in different ways, such as by grouping, filtering, or sorting. Click Create View and choose a view type. Add items. Use the new button to start adding items to your list. Enter details in the columns you've set up. Customize and share. Adjust additional settings as needed and share the list with team members by configuring permissions.